Greetings, great Hamster Kombat CEOs, and welcome back to Ovampa again today. Now, this is supposed to be the mini key game for today, but there is a very big problem. Like, seriously, yeah, this is not working right now. And now, let me show you exactly what you are going to meet the moment you open your Hamster Kombat to try to play this game. I've tried it severally and it wasn't working, so I said let me give you update of exactly what I'm encountering. Now observe this. You can see the screen right here. This is exactly what is happening, and this is how I try to get the solution. In case after this is fixed, this is what you will also do to fix yours properly in case it's not working. Now you can see right here that there are glitches. You can see that two red, the way it is meshed together. And now the worst part is that meanwhile there's a good news and a bad news also. The worst part is that when the time elapses and you open again, you will meet another sort of glitch, another sort of problem. You can see that the green is on the red. Now after this time expired, I had to now come log in again, and I began to see a different form of problem, which is this particular one. So you can see right here, the good thing about this right now is that you only have to wait for 5 seconds even if you fail it. I mean, after 5 minutes you try again. It's no longer 2 hours. Now you see this red is supposed to be in between here so that this short red candle up here will go up, and you see the green, is supposed to be movable. You can see where the glitch is happening. Now look at the two green and red, the way they are meshed together. Now the next option here that they provided to us was to open Play Store and update the Telegram app. And now this is what came up, a different sort of it. Now after updating Telegram, I had to open it, and then this is exactly what I saw for the second time. Okay, now just observe exactly how it happened so that you know this is actually, you see that this one is different from the previous one. This one tried to even move further because the key now was almost able to pass. I was wishing I could hit that long red candle right there or find a knife to cut its tail so that I'll pull the key out, but you see, this is what you meet, guys. Let's wait, and I know there will be updates coming shortly.